How to use Google Fonts. So let's say you're editing a video or something and you want a specific font that's not in the program. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna search up a font. For example, let's say we want a pixel font or something. We're gonna click on it. We can check it out. We can type in anything. Now, how do we download this font? Well, we click Get Font and then we download all. Embed code is something you use for if you want this font inside of your web page. But if you just want this on your computer to edit videos with it, just save it on your computer like this. Let's open it up. Now simply just double click on the TTTF, go to install, and there you go. Now when it comes to these other ones like Noro, this is Google's font collection. It's designed to support a huge range of languages and writing systems. Then we have icons, pretty self-explanatory, it's just icons. And then in knowledge, it's Google's educational section about typography, fonts, and how to use them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.